If bruises heal and scars hide embedding memories of our tales, so perfectly pierced with stripes to carve into the fractures every broken piece of transcription that we must bear, tattooed with default imagery on our skins, seen only under the eyes of the sun and the winds to conceal our wounds, where at the mercy of privilege, the only right was to the scope of one's vision to dream. Looking up in the wild open fields, eyes stretched high to the blue moon in hopes for an intervention from echoes of her silent croon. Then indeed the reminiscence of the letters on pages do no justice to receive signatures more applauding to the finesse of caricatures imitating realities behind characters and hasty screens. Everything seen depicted by green manipulation of elements deflecting the facts. Rare, raw and medium truths cooked up to the taste that suits the appeal of a changing world. Allocating faint lines for the views, hashtag fake news headlines and algorithms within the matrix configured to trail beneath clicks and scrolls only for a lead. Every manipulated data they make you see to design what they want the world to be. So you should begin to wonder why that first homepage is called a feed. Buttons and filters that at our first reach, the caption for the next storyline, for a crowd who know nothing about the howling due bills queued up in sizes unfit to carry the weight of their ego, the branded Nike shoes with no gap to space out into the failed pending Klarna payment intervals on rows without end, just for the show and limelight no one will truly remember. If it clicks into our minds to just remember, if we remember who we are, our story, what we are really fighting for, beyond the sound and the raining blue ticks of spotlight that only binds the mind with barrels so loud that the emptiness of context only leads to vainness of entitlement, to narratives that crowd a horde of captains leading a ship without a sail. If we will fight, we must first unite. One torch, one heart, one voice, one belief. If we will bear that same burden of purpose, desiring to see, to listen, if we can read between the lines, to understand what we are, who we are born to be, where we are from, the story that inspires our journey, to navigate the steps leading to where we must go, the place where we remember, to remember who to remember.